Hey there, it's Perry with Paper Crafting Threads. Today I have a paper pumpkin kit unboxing of the Delicate Wings April 2024 kit. I have a basic gray Stampin' Spot, some gorgeous butterflies, which I will find the graphic in here so it'll be easier to see them. We have tear and tape, dimensionals. Oh, look at these envelopes with the gold foil butterflies on the flap. Card base number 1. We have 3 of this gorgeous Lost Lagoon color. Die cut butterflies with I'm Always Here for You in gold foil. Oh, this is gorgeous. Some speckles on these corner pieces. Three more card bases with gold foil on white. It's amazing how much that elevates it. And some gold foils, not quite squares, more rectangular. And some printed butterflies with some gold foil border. And the last set of card bases. I'm guessing Pebbled Path with gold foil butterflies. This is a very rich looking kit. And we have 2 sheets of these die cuts with the butterflies and the labels. And more die cuts. And here is the stamp set. Much easier to see what we have here. So we've got the 2 butterflies. Everything will be okay, surrounding you with love, sending loving thoughts your way. Really, really great stamp set with sentiments. And our colors this month are Basic Beige, Basic Gray, Lost Lagoon, Moody Mauve, and Champagne. And the add-on kit is great. I've already used them even with last month's kit. And the suggested versions of the cards, which are lovely, but I will come up with my alternatives and be posting those ASAP. Thanks for watching. Bye.